Well, congratulations, because you have made it to the real part of Excel, and this is a incredibly important command, and it's called VLookup. Yeah, why'd they give it a stupid name like that? I don't know. Well, I do know, because it's vertical lookup. Now, what I have is a spreadsheet for you. You got sheet 1, that's the one you're going to be working on, and you have these 3 that you're going to be pulling information from. And you have a list here, and you have email address, phone number, date of birth. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to put all of these in. Now, it's got the same structure, and if something has the same structure, really, you could just cut and paste. But guess what? Usually you don't get the same structure. So for instance, email, we could have copied this, and we could just put it there because it's the same structure, meaning the same order of names and such. But again, usually you'll get a sheet that has 10 times this amount of information and it's not in the same order. In order for VLookup to work, you need there to be a common thread on all of these sheets. And that's going to be the ID number here. Because if you notice, on the sheet 1 and email and phone number, all of these have an ID number, date of birth, and it's the ID number next to it. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to press Control A, that gets everything, Control C, and we're going to move this to sheet 1, Control V, and that moves it here. Now let's see, ID number, and we got email address. So it's in the same order that we need it. We're going to go equals, and we're going to type in VLookup, and we're going to click on that. What are we looking up? We're looking up the ID number. Where are we looking it up? Well, we're looking it up right here, and we're going to click on N and O. Now that's 2 columns. That's the range that it's going to be looking in. You're going to press comma. And what do we want reported back? We want email address. And email address is in the second column here. So we're going to put the number 2. We're going to put a comma. And we're going to write false. If you write true, it's going to take a guess for you. So you want false. And there you go. You have the email address. And we're going to take this and we're going to drag this all the way down. And you have all of the email addresses right here. Now, we're going to put the phone number in. But look at what happens if we get rid of this information over here. Control A. Now I'm going to delete it. Oops. Clear contents. Oh, snap. It's all gone. Now, if you notice here, all of our hard work is done. So let me put that back. And what we're going to need to do with this is copy this list. And you're going to go Control Shift down or just copy the entire list. Copy this, and we're going to repaste it. So paste, and we're going to paste values. So now there's no formula anymore. And that enables us to get rid of everything here, and we still have the email addresses. Now we're going to do the same thing with the phone number. These are great phone numbers. Control A, Control C to copy, back to sheet 1, Control V, and we're going to put the same formula in. So equals VLookup, and what are we looking up? ID number, comma. Where are we looking it up? So M to N, comma. It's the second column, so we're putting a 2, and then false. And there we go. And we could drag this down. And same thing, we're going to copy this, and we're going to repaste this. Oops, I don't think it copied. Control C, paste values. And now we could get rid of this, Control A. And over here, date of birth, Control A, Control C to copy. Oh, we forgot to get rid of this, didn't we? Oh, I got to copy it again. Sorry about that. Control C. There we go. So date of birth is here, equals VLookup. What are we looking up? It's the common thing. So it's the ID number, comma. It's in the second row in this case. So we're going to put comma and the number 2, comma, and false. And it changed the format. All you need to do is put it back to date. And there we go. And then you could take this and drag it down. And there we have it. Well, one more thing. Control C, paste values. Now we could get rid of this. Control A, and then clear contents, and you're good. And at this point, you call me over and you show me.